We're starting with 1.25 cups of flour, followed by 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Make sure it's unsweetened. And because chocolate is the most important ingredient in this cake, you want to make sure you're using good quality cocoa powder. So I'm using fair trade organic. And then we're having 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a dash of salt. Whisk all of the ingredients together until well combined. Next, we're adding 1/2 cup of maple syrup, which is our natural sweetener. Now, instead of using butter, oil, or eggs, we're going to be using mayo. And the reason why mayo is our secret ingredient, it's because it helps to give a really moist, soft, and rich texture to our cake. And also it enhances the chocolate flavor. So I now have 1/2 cup of mayo, and I'm using plant-based mayo. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of plant-based milk, or the milk of your choice, and a dash of vanilla extract. Mix all of the ingredients together and just be sure not to overmix. Now we're gonna pour the cake in an 8 by 8 inch pan, and I've already sprayed it with nonstick spray. While the chocolate cake is cooling, we're now going to make the chocolate glaze. Now, the cake is perfectly delicious as is, but if you want to take the cake to the next level, then you would definitely want to make it. We're going to add 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and it's on low-medium heat. Then add 1/2 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. We're just going to gently stir the chocolate and the coconut milk together until smooth and glossy and fully combined. This chocolate cake is so rich, chocolatey, and delicious. I could eat it all day, every day. If you enjoyed this chocolate cake video, then be sure to watch my healthy pecan pie dump cake. It's also refined sugar-free, it's gooey and delicious. I'll see you in my next video.